Fuck, you scared the shit out of me, bro. Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back at it again. Back at the Subby, the Subi, the Sub. Got my TL there. The secondary selling car here. And my buddy's Civic here. So, good news. The news is we found the guy who used to own this before it got totaled and before I bought it from the auction. Backstep here is the front end where the accident happened. The shock, the Revel coilovers is broke, and I'm trying to find just one coilover, well, Revel coilover to buy. I called Subi Speed, they didn't have it. Well, they say it's only in package. I called Revel. They said first of all it's back ordered for a few months, and second of all they don't know if they can do one, but he's gonna get me a price. He's gonna call me back on Tuesday. It's Memorial Day weekend, so happy holidays, guys. But anyways, I found the guy, or found him actually online. We found the guy. We were trying to buy some stock parts off of him. He's a really chill and cool guy. We were gonna buy off the suspension from him, but we ended up not doing that. But I ended up buying the Cobb access port from him. I guess he tuned this car. He said he has over 8K in this, close to 10K in the car. He invested a lot of money into it, he said. He tuned it, and he said, obviously, I don't know much about this tuning stuff. I'm really trying to get into it, but I don't know much about it. But he said he tuned it, and the only way the car will work how it's supposed to meant to be work is if I have his Cobb access port. So I was like, all right, just tell me that then, because I'm not buying anything else from him. He has the exhaust, he has the muffler, he has the original stock wheels and the tire. So he has a lot of stock parts for the car. But the only thing I bought was the access port because he tuned it and I need it. So we bought that off of him. Thank you if you're watching this video. He was a really nice guy. Thank you for your help and for your advice. So I'm super excited. We're trying to jump up the battery. The car's not starting, and then we're gonna put the access port on and see what it says to us. I don't know anything about access ports. I don't know anything about tuning. I don't know anything about Cobb. So I'm gonna do a lot of research on it, watch a lot of videos on it, and then I'm gonna try to soup it up. He said it's on stage 2. So we got this thing connected, we got the car to jump. What does it say? Anything good?
Logging.
Redlining it.
Yeah.
11,504.
No, it just tells you what angle the car is in, too, sweet.
Does it?
Yeah, this is negative.
Oh shit! That's sick.
No boost.
95 boost. I think he said this is better on the boost and stuff. If you guys have any advice on this Cobb stuff, let me know down below. I'm definitely gonna do some research on it and figure it out. You know anything about tuning?
Nope, not really.
We got this modified shift knob, but as you can see, it doesn't line up. So he threw in, when we were buying the Cobb, he threw in the stock, the original shift knob. So we need to get these seat belts reset. So this guy's taking out the whole body of it to reset it, to take it to whoever to get it reset. And then we need to get the airbag module to reset that after we put all the airbags back into its place, because it's, as you can see, it's all ripped all over. It's the current process, taking this shit apart. So I asked the dude about this. So the owner said when the accident happened, try to stop the airbag with his arm, and then the airbag popped and it blew his arm straight to the mirror, knocking out the mirror and then cracking the windshield. So moral of the story was, he said do not try to block airbags because they're really freakishly strong. And then this popped up too, so we need to replace this, the airbag in the seat. I didn't even know the seats have airbags. This side, do you think this side has one too? Who knows?
Oh, this side does.
Yeah. Got anything in here? No. Heated seats buttons. Doesn't have heated seats, so it's blocked out. This car is so brand new that he didn't even open the manual booklet. It's wrapped up. And then we have, oh, he didn't even take out the sticker, dude. Yeah, it's a little dirty because it's sat in the auction for a few weeks. All right, so what he said was, like I said, it's tuned stage 2. He did say the torque is at 310 and then the horsepower is at 280. So I think the base models come with, or the WRXs itself, not the SDIs, come with around 268 horsepower and 254 torque. So the horsepower went up 12, but the torque went up like 60, 70. It was at like 254, I think it is, or 258 or something along those lines. And then now it's at 310, which is a really good bump. He's saying it's a super fast car, throws you back right in your seat when you try to book it. So I'm super excited. All right, we've never done this before. He's never done it. He took out the seatbelt now to get it reset. And now he's gonna take off the whole freaking dash to get the airbag module. This is not a usual car, man. It's tuned stage 2, bro. All right, guys, so in order to take the airbag module out, you start with unscrewing those 2 bolts, those 2 screws down there, and then it starts moving, as you can see. Then you start taking out the shifter knob and the whole shifter itself. And then you remove the emergency brake and then unscrew
There's
that.
a bolt here.
And then the whole freaking thing comes off. First this comes off, the cup holder and stuff, and then you take this out. Bam. And there goes the airbag module.
It's easier than Corolla.
Is it?
Yeah, the Corolla, I had to go all the way back there and stuff.
You almost did with this too. So maybe there was another way with Corolla that you didn't even know about.
No, it was just too far down.
Are you certified at this, yo?
Oh yeah.
When you put all these airbags in, is it gonna work? I don't want to freaking die.
It'll work.
So after you take these bolts out and then you take the sides out, you need to take this out because there's 2 more bolts in the back. After taking this out, we need to get the 2 bolts out, but we're trying to figure out how to take this out. Hey guys, I'm sitting here doing an edit of the video. Unfortunately, the last part of the video, the sound is off for some reason. I don't know why I didn't grab the sound, so there's no sound. The last part that got cut off was taking out the radio and the AC and all that. That part got cut off, but we took that out and then we unscrewed the 2 bolts in the back of the airbag module, and then we were able to remove the airbag module. But yeah guys, that was it. I found out the car that I bought from the auction, the original owner had tuned the car. The car is in stage 2. I bought the Cobb access port off of him because that's the access port he used when he was getting the car tuned. So please do comment below how the Cobb access port works and what readings should I be looking out for. But other than that, subscribe, turn the notifications on, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.